Hi, welcome to Patriot Kitchen. Today we'll be making Cajun shrimp pasta. So we're gonna start out with a crock pot. Make sure that the crock pot goes along with your residency policies. We have Ragu's classic Alfredo sauce. We have garlic powder, and then we have Cajun seasoning.
Then we have our pre-packaged and frozen shrimp and our microwavable noodles.
So we're gonna start with the sauce. You're gonna take your sauce and you're gonna pour about, well, you could pour the whole thing. And you're gonna pour it into the crock pot and let that sit for about 5 minutes, just to let it, heat up for a while. And then you're gonna take your shrimp and you're gonna let the shrimp marinate in the sauce so it can have the seasoning as well. Then you take your Cajun seasoning, you're gonna season it just a little to your liking. Then you're gonna stir that together. And you're gonna let that sit for about a couple minutes. And then you're gonna take a couple of your noodles and you're gonna pour it into the crock pot. And then you're gonna let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, just to let everything mix together. And after it's kind of done, you're gonna take a spoon, put it on the plate, and enjoy. This is really good.
Seasoned.
So well.
Moist.
And that's all today for Patriot's Kitchen. We'll see you next week with the Valentine's Day special with chocolate covered strawberries.
And more.